4444. If you read this, you entered a phase where your best days are manifesting. Before the end of this year, you will be 5 years ahead in life. Your life is turning a lot better than you could imagine. Type yes to affirm it. Universe is saying to you today, good energy is pouring into your life right now. The more alignment you have to source, the more miraculous your life becomes. You are being called to take more chances and to never become discouraged by a failure in life. Your failure were learning lesson to prepare you for your future and to move you into the direction you are meant to be on. Focus on your dream and always remember that universe has even better plans in store. Type Amen to claim it, and also you show gratitude by giving us some super thanks.